it's time for Wow Factor, learning more about fishing, hunting, and the outdoors. The bullet in that rifle was traveling at about 2,700 feet per second. That's about 3 times the speed of sound. But behind the fire and noise, how does a bullet work? Well, I wanted to find out. There are several types of bullets, but at least in a broad sense, they all work pretty much the same. Today we'll talk about a bullet used in this Winchester 308. Actually, the bullet is only a part of the overall object, called the self-contained cartridge or round. The parts of the cartridge are the bullet case, the rim. Inside are the propellant and the primer. At the front end, we have the bullet. The weight of the bullet affects the velocity or speed at which the bullet travels towards the target. Next, we have the case. The shape and the size of the case will also determine how powerfully the bullet is propelled forward. A larger case will hold more of the propellant and result in a more powerful explosion. In the old days, bullets were shot in front of an explosion of black powder, which is a mixture of potassium nitrate, charcoal, and sulfur. This is my friend Rodney, and he's a firefighter. And he's going to show us what happens when you ignite black powder.
You ready, Aaron?
Notice all the white smoke? In most modern guns, black powder has been replaced with smokeless powder, which is a nitrocellulose blend frequently mixed with nitroglycerin. One main difference between smokeless powder and black powder is that black powder explodes and smokeless powder burns. Very cool. Thanks, Rodney.
Anytime, Aaron.
On a rifle, the thing that hits the back of the cartridge is called the firing pin. Striking the primer, which is comprised of mercury fulminate, an explosion ignites the propellant, which in turn explodes. All of the energy is trapped in the breech of the gun, with only one direction to go: down the barrel and out the muzzle, driving the bullet with it. Check this out. It only takes about this much powder to send this bullet over a mile in under 3 seconds. And not only is this bullet moving fast, but it carries a punch. Watch what happens when a bullet hits this milk jug filled with water. That's this week's Wow Factor. Have fun.